Modal verb, have to and has to. I have to do something, it is necessary for me to do it, I am obliged to do it. When to use have to and has to. We use have to express the idea that something is necessary or very important. I have to go now. It's late. We use have to describe what is necessary, a rule or something we do because other people tell us to. We use don't have to say that something is not necessary. We don't have to walk home. We can take the bus. The negative form, doesn't have to, is used to describe something unnecessary. I don't have to go to work tomorrow. There is a holiday. Pay attention. You can use must or have to when you say what you think is necessary. When you give your opinion, it means we can use have to like must. I have to go now. Or, I must go now. It's a fantastic film. You must see it. Or you have to see it. But don't have to and mustn't are different. Compare. I don't have to do something means it is not necessary to do it. You don't have to stay here. It is not necessary, but you can if you want to. You must not stay here. Do not stay here. You must leave.
To learn more about must and must not, please watch the video that is in the description.
Positive form. In the present. Subject. I, we, you, they, plus have to, plus complement. Subject. He, she, it, plus has to, plus complement. In the past. Subject, plus had to, plus complement. Negative form. Subject. I, we, you, they, plus don't have to, plus complement. Subject. He, she, it, plus doesn't have to, plus complement. Examples. We have to arrive before 9. We don't have to run. We can walk. I have to take my medicine 3 times a day. In tennis, you have to hit the ball over the net. This lesson is free, you don't have to pay for it. He doesn't have to work, he's got a lot of money. It's late. I have to go now. I'll see you tomorrow. My eyes are not very good. I have to wear glasses. Jack has to get the bus to town. He can't walk there. I was late for work yesterday. I had to go to the dentist. We had to walk home last night. There were no buses. At the end of the course, all the students have to do a test. Sarah is studying literature. She has to read a lot of books. My sister doesn't have to wear glasses, her eyes are fine. You don't have to wash the car. Dan washed it yesterday. I have to earn some money for my holiday. I haven't got any. I don't have to go to college today, I haven't got any lectures. You don't have to pay for my ticket. I've got enough money. You don't have to bring any food tomorrow. I'll bring some. I'll be late for work tomorrow. I have to go to the dentist. Jane starts work at 7 o'clock, so she has to get up at 6. I'm not working tomorrow, so I don't have to get up early. Susan doesn't have to work very hard. He's got an easy job. You have to pass a test before you can get a driving license. Sam doesn't have to take us to the airport. We can go by bus. Kate is often away from home. She has to travel a lot in her job. We don't have to phone Jessica now. We can call her tomorrow. You don't have to answer my question now. You can tell me later. We can get the tickets tomorrow. We don't have to buy them now. I'm afraid I can't come with you. I have to finish this project today. We did an exam yesterday. We had to answer 6 questions out of 10. We didn't have to wait very long for the bus, it came in a few minutes. You can't take your bags into the museum. You have to leave them here. I went to the supermarket after work yesterday. I had to buy some food. This train doesn't go all the way to London. You have to change at Bristol. Albert doesn't understand much English. You have to speak very slowly to him. Question form. Do plus I, we, you, they, plus have to, plus complement, plus question mark. Does plus he, she, it plus have to, plus complement, plus question mark. Examples.
What do we have to do this weekend?
We have to practice.
Do we have to visit anybody?
No, we don't have to visit anyone.
Do you have to call Emma?
Yes, I have to call her.
Do I have to help him and Sarah?
Yes, you must help them.
Do they have to leave early on Friday?
No, they don't have to leave early.
Where does Sarah have to go?
She has to go to visit her mother.
Do you have to work on your project?
Yes, I have to finish it.
Have you got any money for the bus?
We don't have to get the bus. We can walk.
What time do you have to go to the dentist tomorrow?
I have to go at 8 o'clock.
Does Thomas have to work on Fridays?
No, he mustn't work on Fridays.
What time do you have to get up?
I have to get up early tomorrow.
How long did Mark have to wait?
Mark had to wait a long time.
Where does Susan have to go?
Susan has to go somewhere.
How much did you have to pay?
We had to pay a lot of money.
What exactly do you have to do?
I have to do some work.
Do I have to do this exercise?
No, you don't have to do that exercise.
The link, of all sentences in this video, is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.